Can an AI trained on biased data ever be fair or safe enough to trust with life or death decisions? Because right now, your favorite chatbot or even a self-driving car might be learning the wrong lessons. I'm Sarah from NextAIVault, and today we're pulling back the curtain on AI ethics. From racial and gender bias to safety risks that could change lives, we're diving into how AI decisions are made, who they might hurt, and how we can fix it. Stick around. This is about the future of tech and fairness. Can AI be trusted? AI is everywhere, hiring you for jobs, diagnosing diseases, even driving cars. But here's the catch. AI doesn't think about fairness or safety. It just learns from data. And if that data is biased or the system is poorly designed, the results can be unfair or even dangerous. Count on fingers. A biased AI might reject your resume for no good reason. A poorly tested AI could misjudge a pedestrian on the road. Trust in AI isn't about how confident it sounds, it's about whether it's built responsibly. Many aren't. You've heard the stories. AI facial recognition systems misidentifying black or brown faces, like in India's Aadhaar system, where rural users have been locked out due to errors. Job filters downgrading resumes with ethnic names, like Amazon's 2018 hiring tool that penalized women. This isn't random. It's baked into the data. Most data sets reflect historical inequalities: who got hired, who got arrested, who got loans. So when we train AI on them, we don't erase bias, we automate it. And with AI teams often lacking diversity, these blind spots go unnoticed. Even your go-to chatbot, the one you ask for recipes or homework help, isn't immune. Advanced language models are trained on internet-scale data, blogs, forums, social media. Sounds great, right? Except that data's a mess of stereotypes, misinformation, and power imbalances. If the internet says certain groups are less qualified or more dangerous, guess what? The AI might echo those biases, no matter how smart it sounds. It's not neutral. It's a reflection of the world's flaws, coded into tech we use every day. Here's what no one says out loud. Bias in AI isn't always a mistake. Sometimes it's profitable. If an algorithm denies certain groups credit or insurance, companies save money. If it feeds you content that confirms your worldview, platforms get more clicks. Bias can be a business model. And when companies prioritize profits over fairness, the same old inequalities, race, gender, class, get hardwired into the tech we rely on. That's not progress. That's automation of injustice. But bias isn't the only problem. AI can also fail in ways that risk lives. Imagine a self-driving car misreading a pedestrian in the fog, like the 2018 Uber crash that killed someone. Or deepfakes, AI-generated video spreading fake news, like a politician saying something they never did. The stakes are high. If AI in healthcare misdiagnoses a patient or a chatbot spreads misinformation, the consequences are real. And some experts even warn that super powerful AI, if not carefully designed, could act in ways we can't predict. We need AI to be safe, not just smart. So, what's the fix? The good news? We're not helpless. To fight bias, we need diverse data, like a balanced recipe for AI. Companies are starting to audit datasets and use fairness algorithms to reduce bias. Explainable AI lets us see how decisions are made, so we can catch problems early. For safety, it's about testing. Like putting self-driving cars through millions of virtual crashes. Like doctors reviewing AI diagnoses. Keep things in check. And regulations like India's AI policies or the EU's AI Act are setting clear rules. But it starts with us, demanding transparency and diverse teams to build AI that serves everyone. In short, AI isn't just a tech issue, it's a justice issue. It can solve huge problems like curing diseases or fighting climate change, but only if we make it fair and safe. The future of AI is still being written, and it won't be ethical by default. We've got to demand it. Thanks for watching. If this got you thinking, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into AI. In the comments, tell me, What bias or safety issue have you seen in AI tools? Want a deeper dive into any of these? Let me know. This is Sarah from NextAIVault. See you in the next one.